Hello my friend, this is Rihanna from TNO Early on Child and Family Center, and happy Halloween! So I know my friend, this time your Halloween celebration will be a little different from last year, as most of the time we are staying home. We may not be able to get out of the house, but still we can have lots of fun with our family. So that's why I'm here today to share with you very classic and fun and simple Halloween activity, Halloween crafts with you. So what we are going to make today? We are going to make hanging ghost. It's very cute, isn't it? So how to make it and what you will need for making this craft. So you will need coffee filter. If you don't have the coffee filter, you can use paper towel, and I cut it in a circle. So you can cut it in a circle, or your mommy or daddy can help you with that. If you're cutting, make sure you're using the kids-friendly scissor. And you will need black marker, hole punch, ribbons or the string or yarn. And now I'm going to show you how to make it. So first you are going to fold the coffee filter in half, okay, and fold it once more to make a cone. So you can staple the cone to make sure the edges don't fly, or you can keep it as it is, okay? And I'm going to staple it. So my friend, if you'd like to staple it, make sure your mommy or daddy will help you with that, because using a stapler is not safe for you. And next step is we are going to draw a cute and non-scary ghost face using black marker. Look at that! Is it too scary? I think it's not that scary, but it's very cute. I love my cute little ghost. And the next step is you're going to make a hole with the hole punch. Look, if you don't have the hole punch, you can use a pencil to make the hole. Your mommy and daddy can help you with that. And now I'm going to thread a string. So look, and now I'm going to cut the extra ribbon, and it's all done. Look, it looks so cute, isn't it? So my friend, if you want to hang it on the wall or anywhere you can, or there is another idea, if you can find fallen branches, then you can display these all cute ghosties on the branches. That would be very nice. If you don't find the fallen branches, you don't need to worry about. Still you can display it. What you will need a black construction paper, and you need to stick it on the paper. Either you can use glue or a tape. Okay, that's it, and you can hang on the wall. All done. So my friend, my cute little hanging ghost is all done. I hope you have enjoyed this activity and you would like to try with your family at home. Thank you for watching this video. So I will come back with more fun activity next time. So happy Halloween. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.